Welcome back to Travel Vista. Today's video is about discovering Iranian village life, traditional cooking and clay oven bread making. Hidden away from the bustling cities and fast-paced modern life, there lies a world where time moves slowly, and traditions are kept alive. Welcome to the heart of rural Iran, where the rhythms of life echo through the seasons, and the simplest of meals are crafted with care and passed down through generations. Today, we're journeying into an Iranian village to uncover the art of traditional cooking, including one of the most iconic staples of Iranian cuisine, clay oven bread. Discover Iranian village life, traditional cooking and clay oven bread making. Introduction to village life show scenes of daily life in the village, people tending to fields, herding livestock, and walking down narrow village streets lined with mud brick homes. In many parts of Iran, rural life remains a time-honored tradition. Here in the village, life revolves around the land, the seasons, and the simple joys of family and community. The people here live off the land, growing fruits, vegetables, and grains, while livestock provide milk and meat. The connection to nature is strong, and every meal is a reminder of the harvest and the labor that goes into it. Meals in the village are much more than just sustenance, they are a reflection of a deep cultural heritage. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and the food prepared here is a labor of love, passed down through generations. Traditional Iranian cooking, fresh ingredients being prepared, herbs, slicing vegetables, and grinding spices. Include shots of colorful local produce, herbs, and spices. Iranian cuisine is renowned for its use of fresh, vibrant ingredients, and every meal starts with a careful selection of what's in season. The farmers of the village take great pride in growing their own produce, everything from fragrant herbs like mint and parsley to the ripest tomatoes and eggplants, which form the foundation of many dishes. One of the staples of this cooking is a variety of spices, saffron, turmeric, cumin, and cinnamon, that bring depth and complexity to the food. But it's not just about the ingredients, it's about how they are prepared. Cooking in the village is a slower, more deliberate process, one that takes time to appreciate. Preparing a stew or dish, adding spices, stirring. Village women, we use the best of what the land gives us. Cooking is a ritual for us, one that connects us to the earth and to our ancestors. Every meal is a reminder of where we come from. Clay oven bread making. One of the most iconic aspects of Iranian village life is the traditional clay oven, or tandoor, where bread is made the old-fashioned way. This humble clay oven is at the heart of many village kitchens. It's not just a cooking tool, it's a symbol of warmth, tradition, and community. In the village, bread is more than just a side dish, it's the centerpiece of nearly every meal. The process of making this bread is an art in itself, and it all begins with the dough. The dough is made using just a few simple ingredients: flour, water, salt, and yeast. The skill lies in the consistency of the dough and the technique of handling it. The bread is rolled out by hand into thin rounds, ready to be baked in the clay oven. The clay oven must be prepared carefully before baking. Wood is burned inside to heat up the clay walls, and once the oven reaches the perfect temperature, it's ready for the bread. The heat from the oven is what gives the bread its distinct texture, crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. Baking the bread. Once the oven is ready, the dough is slapped onto the inner walls of the clay oven. The heat from the clay cooks the bread in just a few minutes, giving it that perfect golden brown crust that's both crispy and tender. The result is a bread unlike anything you'd find in a supermarket. It's warm, aromatic, and full of character. For the villagers, there's something deeply satisfying about the entire process, about waiting, watching, and finally pulling that perfectly baked bread from the oven. It's not just food, it's part of their history, part of their culture. The significance of bread in village life. Bread in this village is more than just a meal, it's a symbol of unity and family. It's always served fresh, hot from the oven, and shared with loved ones. The ritual of breaking bread together fosters a sense of community and belonging. And in a world that's changing rapidly, these traditions continue to provide a sense of stability and continuity. Village elder: this is how we've always done it. Our children learn how to make the bread from a young age, and it will continue to be passed down. It's not just about the bread, it's about the hands that make it, the love that goes into it, and the memories we share over it. In the Iranian countryside, life is simple, but it is steeped in meaning. From the land to the kitchen to the family table, every moment is an opportunity to connect with history, tradition, and one another. Here, in the heart of the village, the ancient art of cooking and bread making remains as alive as ever, a testament to the resilience and beauty of rural Iranian life. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of Iranian village life. If you enjoyed this exploration of tradition and culture, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more adventures from Travel Vista.